Hello, my name is Michael Niren. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. This is a video for those who are interested in getting a work visa to Canada and who have a business overseas in their home country. One great way of getting a work visa for Canada is to consider expanding your business into Canada from what you have overseas. So depending upon the kind of business you have, you may be eligible for what we call an intercompany transfer. So the idea is that if you are an owner of a business, or you are a high-level manager, or you have specialized skills, you could be transferred into a startup business in Canada that you wish to expand your overseas business. So this way, on that basis, you can potentially get a work permit. And the processing time is not too long generally. It could be just a few months. We have to show, when we do these cases, that you have a viable real business over in your home country and that you have plans to expand it in the United States. And on that basis, you could apply for a work visa. If you are married, your spouse could also get one. And your children, if you have children, could potentially go to school in Canada on the basis of your work visa. It's a really, really good way of getting a work permit, and you don't need a job offer, of course, because it's you who's going to be expanding your own business or your company's business if you are an employee of a business overseas. So it's an option that is becoming more and more popular. There are restrictions, there are criteria that have to be met and followed. The way we handle these cases is that we look at our client's business in depth and their circumstances in order to make sure that if we handle their case, we can succeed. So the first step is to really take a detailed look at your business and your situation, and then we can take it from there. So this is just a message for anyone who owns a business or works in a business, and there is an option of expanding it into Canada. And this way, of course, you don't need a job offer. So we find this as a very, very good avenue to get to Canada and to work in Canada. And of course, there's options for permanent residence as well on the basis of those work permits that you get approved for. So that's also something to consider. So hopefully this gave you some hope and some ideas about coming to Canada. Thank you and have a great day.